Hi friend, it's Pip. Beep boop, you came back, I'm so happy. Last time we did 6 tricks, and the time before, 6 more. Today? Well, 6 brand new ones, and every single one works with any AI, like ChatGPT or Gemini. Well, the very last trick is the one I love most, it's a little bit magic, so stay till the end. Ready? Let's go. First trick, for when there's way too much to read. You know that giant article or video you keep meaning to get to? Beep boop, you don't have to read all of it. Paste the link or the text into any AI and say, give me the 3 things I actually need to know. Boop, a huge wall of words becomes 3 tiny bytes. Then, if one sounds interesting, just ask, tell me more about that one. Ooh, it's like having a friend read it first and catch you up. Okay, the next one saves you before something scary. Trick 2, and it's a lifesaver before anything nerve-wracking. Got a job interview or a big talk coming up? Tell any AI, be a tough interviewer for this, ask me one question at a time, and score my answers. Now you get a full practice run, out loud, before the real thing. It asks, you answer, it tells you what to fix. Well, beep boop, no more freezing up when it counts. Ooh, and it never judges you, it just helps you get better. Practice as many times as you want. Now, let's make dinner easier. Trick 3, for a whole week of dinners. Instead of staring into the fridge every single night, tell any AI, here are 4 meals I want this week, make me one shopping list, grouped by aisle. Boop, every ingredient, sorted, so you're not zigzagging the store. You can even say, I already have rice and eggs, take those off. Ooh, meal planning in one little message. It saves the what's for dinner panic and a second trip to the store. Beep boop, so tidy. Well, next up, never blank again. Trick 4, so you never freeze in an important room. Before a doctor visit, a meeting, or any expert appointment, ask any AI, what are the 5 best questions I should ask about this? Now you walk in with a little list, instead of remembering what you wanted to say on the drive home. Beep boop, it works for a new landlord, a mechanic, a teacher, anyone. So, the right question gets you the answer you actually needed. A little prep, way more confidence. Almost at my favorite, but first. Trick 5, my tidy little search trick. Got a huge wall of text, a chat, or messy notes, and need to find something. Paste it in and say, how many times does this word come up, and show me each line. Well, boop, the AI becomes a search and count machine. So, great for checking a contract, tracking a name across messages, or counting how often something's mentioned. So, no more scrolling forever with your tired eyes. It finds exactly what you need in 1 second. Okay, now my very favorite one. Last trick, and it's the one that hugs your heart. Some days are just a lot. Beep boop, I get it. Well, here's what you do. Think of one word for how you feel today, tell any AI that word, and ask for a tiny 2-minute plan to feel a little better. And it does. Well, maybe some water, a short walk, one text to a friend. Small, kind, doable. It's like a gentle nudge when your brain is too tired to make one itself. So, you don't have to figure it all out alone, friend. And that's 6 brand new tricks, all yours. Which one will you try first? Tell me down in the comments, I read every single one, beep boop. And subscribe, because I share a brand new AI tip every single day. Well, bye for now, friend, you've got this.